Are you tired of boring facts? Well, you've come to the right place. Here at Satisfact we serve up facts with a side of fun. Get ready to learn something new and laugh along the way. Hibernating hummingbirds, don't be fooled by their tiny size, hummingbirds are tough. During winter, they enter a hibernation state where their heart rate slows down to a mere 120 beats per minute, and their body temperature drops close to freezing, allowing them to conserve energy. Ants, the disease detectors. Some ant species have superpowers we can't even imagine. They possess the incredible ability to smell signs of disease in humans, including cancer. Owls, the head turners. Ever wished you could turn your head all the way around? Well, owls can. Their incredible neck flexibility allows them to rotate their heads nearly 270 degrees without moving their body, giving them unmatched swivel vision. Queen bee, the colony leader. While worker bees have a short lifespan of just a few months, the queen bee is the real boss lady. She can live for several years, continuously laying eggs to ensure the hive keeps thriving. Eval vision. Earth's inner core, a spinning surprise. Our planet has a hidden secret. The Earth's inner core, a giant ball of solid iron, is like a spinning top, rotating slightly faster than the rest of the Earth. Continents on the move. The ground beneath your feet isn't as stationary as you might think. Continents are constantly on the move, slowly drifting apart on giant tectonic plates at a rate of a few centimeters per year. Earth's magnetic tail, a shielding force field. Our planet is protected by an invisible shield. The Earth's magnetic field stretches out millions of kilometers into space, forming a giant magnetic tail that helps deflect harmful particles from the sun. If you have enjoyed so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for weekly knowledge bombs. Trees outnumber stars in our galaxy. Imagine a forest bigger than you can imagine. Estimates suggest there are trillions of trees on Earth, significantly outnumbering the hundreds of billions of stars in our Milky Way galaxy. Earth's not-so-secret second moon. Our planet may have a primary moon, but it turns out there's a little visitor too. A small asteroid called 2010 KGL-20 acts as a temporary second moon, orbiting Earth in a horseshoe-shaped path. Japan, the vending machine paradise. Need a live fish, a hot meal, or even panties? In Japan, you might just find it in a vending machine. They are known for their incredibly diverse selection of vending machine offerings. Bolivia's landlocked navy. Even though Bolivia has no coastline, they still boast a navy. Their historical role and tradition are maintained through patrolling Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. Who knew? Fun facts about familiar things. Elephants, the grounded giants. Elephants are amazing creatures, but jumping isn't one of their talents. Their massive size and leg structure prevent them from getting any air. Bubble wrap. From walls to packages, bubble wrap wasn't always popping for the right reason. It was originally invented as wallpaper, but luckily for us, it found a much more satisfying purpose in protecting packages. Star-nosed mole, this subterranean superhero has a unique party trick. Its 22 pink fleshy tentacles on its nose act like a super-sensitive touch system, helping it navigate and find food in the dark underground world. Cats, the chatty communicators. Meows aren't the only way cats talk. They have a repertoire of over 100 different vocalizations, including purrs, chirps, trills, and even chatters to communicate with their humans and fellow felines. The global breath. Every single day, the entire population of Earth inhales an amount of oxygen roughly equal to the weight of the Empire State Building. Popcorn, the exploding snack. The satisfying chomping sound you hear when enjoying popcorn is actually the water vapor inside the kernel exploding from the heat. Stars versus sand. The universe is a vast and starry place. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Ancient chewing gum. Chewing gum isn't a recent invention. The world's oldest chewing gum is over 9,000 years old and was made from birch bark tar, found in Finland. Polar bear Pawsity. These bears seem to favor their left paw. Studies show a higher prevalence of left-handedness in polar bears. Goldfish, the trainable treat dispensers. Don't underestimate the goldfish. With a little patience, you can teach them tricks like following a target, jumping through hoops, or even distinguishing between colors. The Dead Sea, the saltiest surprise. If you're looking for a place to float effortlessly, the Dead Sea is your spot. It holds the title of the world's saltiest body of water, being about 10 times saltier than the ocean. So, what did you learn today? Let me know in the comments what your favorite fact was, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who love learning something new, and let's explore more together. Subscribe for your weekly dose of wonder.